Salvacion.
Thank you, Angie, and we'll see you later. Palamakan natin, Angie Salvacion. Thank you, Angie. Ayan. Ingat ka, we'll see you later. Thank you. Okay, from PBB Gen 11 from Star Magic, palamakan natin JM Ibarra and Rian Smith.
Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, into the open sky. Boy, I feel the sky across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Okay, mapapanood niyo po kami December 18 and the wedding is in Plaza Antipolo, December 21, Jed's Island, Manila, the Resort Bulacan. And also every weekend, 9:30 p.m. PBB Gen 11, Big Forever sa Kapamilya Online Live, Kapamilya Channel, A to Z, TV5, and also available on Time. And on my social media po. Hinilmal ako.
Yes,
Ang
of course.
TikTok po, Sophia Smith, Instagram, _ I am Sophia Smith, and yeah. Thank you po for coming. Hi, Jay and
So, maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta ho. At of course, huwag nyo rin yung kakalimutan na suportahan. And the breadwinner is December 25 na po yan. 8 days na lang yan. So, na-excite po tayong lahat na yan.
Correct. Ayan, panoorin natin, of course, and the breadwinner is 8 days na lang. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. Go ahead. Yeah.
Wait lang! Siya na yung magsasabi ngayon.
Okay, makinig ka na.
Makinig.
3, 2, 1, always remember who did?
Yes. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman natin. JM and Fiam, thank you. And we'll see you later. Thank you so much.
Babalik po kami.
Yes, bye-bye. Ingat kayo. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Yes, mamaya makas